guys. Today we're talking about what to do if you got a toothache, or things that you can do to make your toothache not hurt as much if you're at home and don't have access to the dentist. So one of the most common things that you can do to help alleviate the pain when you have a toothache, and that's readily available, is to rinse your mouth with salt water. And you can do that several times a day, maybe even gargle with the salt water. And warm salt water might help. So salt in the salt water is antibacterial, and if there's any kind of bacterial infection that's contributing to your pain, the salt water will help put it at bay. And also that warm water tends to soothe any kind of tooth pain you might have. Something else that you can think about would be just an ice pack. So especially if you have swelling, just apply ice to the area intermittently, maybe 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off for a period of 30 minutes. And that should reduce the inflammation and hopefully alleviate some of the pain. Something else that we all have at home would be Advil or Tylenol. Probably I would recommend Ibuprofen for its anti-inflammatory properties. And then maybe something else to consider also when you're going to bed, keep your head popped up. A couple pillows may help. You want to keep your head above your heart, which will reduce the blood pressure to that area and often can alleviate some symptoms, especially when you have a throbbing toothache. So don't just lay down with a pillow or no pillows, but use a couple pillows and you might find yourself able to achieve more rest. And when does a toothache become an emergency toothache? Is usually when you have a high fever above 103, or any kind of swelling that may constrict, of course, the airway, or a noticeable swelling externally on the face or neck. If you have either of those two things, then we would recommend that you go to the ER and have that looked at, because toothaches or infections can be, in rare cases, life-threatening issues. So I hope that helps. And then, of course, when the next day comes and the dentist finally opens, a lot of times they're going to ask for if you can take a picture of the tooth, if you can stick your cell phone in your mouth, take a quick picture, and then send that to the office. That will help them prepare for what kind of treatment you might need, or what they'll need to help get you out of pain. So hope that helps. Things to do at home if you've got a toothache. Again, my name is Chris Lewandowski, Scottsdale, Arizona. Princess Center Dentistry. Have a great night. We'll do more of these videos later in the week. Thank you.